Hi, good evening. Happy New Year. This is the second day of the year, 2022. I am going to be showing you some steps and some skills for my skincare products. I am not getting younger. I try to find out things, organic products I can use for my skin, natural ingredients I can use for my skin to just keep it glowing and rejuvenated. But before we start this process, please let me say thank you to those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. But if you have not, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to watch my videos. The essence of my videos is actually strictly educational. I am the CEO of Zudos Education Center, and then all my videos are actually like channeled towards sharing my ideas with you and teaching you how I take care of my skin, and then teaching my children as well. My children are the audience here today. One of my daughters is a cameraman. One of my daughters is a camera girl, and then the other ones are just seated watching me, especially my baby Rekia. She wants to know how I do it and what I do to my skin to look young, and I don't really spend money to buy products that I don't know. I just do my things. And so let's go. So today I'm going to use carrots and yogurt. This yogurt says stirred yogurt, plain nature. But guess what? You can use any type of yogurt of your choice. But for this particular procedure, I'm going to use this. And it has really worked for me. So I'm going to be using the yogurt and the carrot. So what I did, I blended the carrots already, because I didn't want to waste your time. So we're going to see how many spoons. This is approximately 5 spoons. This is cooking or serving spoon. So we're taking 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This last one is a bit watering, but it's okay. That's the 5th spoon. So I'm going to measure the same amount of yogurt to match it. Then I mix it together and it's ready for my body wash. It gives you a beautiful skin tone. You'll be amazed. But it is, this is 1. That one was a mistake, half. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now, when I do this, I tend to mix it. You can mix with the spoon directly. Mix everything together. Remember, the carrots must be blended. You don't need to strain it as if it's for carrot juice. You just leave the carrot the way it was blended, like smoothie, and then you mix it with the yogurt. And then after mixing it with the yogurt, you're going to use it for all over your skin. Your skin will be rejuvenated instantly, and it stops aging. It's anti-aging because of the carrots. And remember that this is fresh carrots, fresh yogurt. So you are doing everything fresh, but it is advisable to put it in a lid. And then please do not store products like this or skincare products in a plastic jar. It's not advisable. So what we always do after mixing,